Well, everyone, it's kind of like Christmas land in here. We're really excited for the weekend. It's our holiday open house this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 8 to 4 p.m., November 21st and 22nd. I had to think about that for a second. I'm just going to walk around a little bit while I'm telling you all the things that are going on, and then we'll focus on individual items. I wanted you guys to know, if you didn't see on Facebook already, we're thrilled to announce that Generations Vineyard is going to be in the shop from now on. They have their own vineyard and wine tasting tap room on their farm just outside of Leonardtown, but they've agreed to come into the shop to do wine tastings and full pours and sell bottles of their fantastic wine throughout the year. So we welcome them, and so wine tastings in here this weekend. I also want to remind you that we've got Almond Creek cupcakes. Jenny has the most amazing cupcakes and some fun holiday flavors for this month. She sold out last month, and so she's going to make a little more this month and see how it goes, and hopefully you guys will be able to get as many cupcakes as you want. We also will be having our boxwood wreath sale. This is a little different. I normally don't have the boxwood wreaths until December, but I saw on Facebook that everybody's decorating early for Christmas. Go figure. Everyone's sick of COVID, so trying to put a little holiday cheer in, and therefore decorating early. So I have a partial amount of the boxwood wreaths that'll be in this month and Small Business Saturday, and then I will have the rest of them in December, so that's something to look forward to. And I also want to mention that for those of you that are wondering about the governor's new mandates and how does that affect us, it keeps retail at 50% capacity, but honestly, we never raised our numbers above 50% capacity in the last couple months anyway, because we have so much stuff in the store. We feel that a cap of 30 people in the store at a time is what we can do. If you're wondering how we keep track of the people, we do the, you take a poker chip when you walk in. We only have 30 in the bucket. As you leave, you put the poker chip into the dirty bin. We sanitize it, so we have an actual head count of people in the store, and it's worked great the last couple months. I feel like we've got this under control. Everybody wears their masks. We sanitize throughout the day. So we just need you guys to come. We are ready, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop walking around and just show you some individual fun pieces. This is a gorgeous Hoosier, oak Hoosier that Denise has. And then I wanted to show you guys, I have the new 2020 White House ornaments. I'm selling these for one of our local schools as a proceeds project. This is a gorgeous piece that Denise did. It's really, it's a unique shape for a dresser, or you could use it for a sideboard. Okay, so I know I've been quiet the last couple minutes of the video. I'm trying to shorten it up by not talking too much, but I have to show you some of the handmade things that Lisa has made for this Christmas holiday open house that we're having. She has made several driftwood nativities. They are amazing, made from locally found materials. Like this little set has the lichen on baby Jesus and on the beard of Joseph. It's flippin' amazing. This one. So each set is different. They're different sizes. They are so cool. I have to talk about her handmade nautical inspired ornaments. Look, she made these jellyfish, sea nettle sort of things. She's crazy. Look at all the work that goes into these. Look at these. They're really cool. And then she did these neat little herons with, you know, feathers that she, who knows where Lisa gets her stuff. Very cool. Looking forward to seeing you this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 8 to 4 p.m. for our holiday open house. Keep in mind all the special things we have going on with the wine, the cupcakes, and the boxwood wreaths. And I want to let you know that there will be 70 different blow molds outside. Jenny has got the mother load of the vintage blow molds, and they'll all be displayed outside, so they couldn't make it into this video, but keep that in mind. All right, we'll see you this weekend.